Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some crazy new watches we got in at luxury time. From more entry-level Tag Heuers to crazy Rolexes. So let's get right into it. So this is a Hublot Spirit of a Big Bang. And we market it as a unisex watch. It's a nice blingy watch. So I say it's more a woman's watch actually. It's priced at 189,900 Rand. And I think this is a banger of a watch. Now let's get back into it. Let's go to the Tag Heuer Carrera here. This one is priced at 18,900 Rand, and I think it's a stunning watch for a lady. Has a mother of pearl dial, not too blingy, but quite a cool watch. And if I'm not mistaken, this is automatic. Yeah, it is automatic, which is quite cool. And then probably one of our most popular watches is the Tag Heuer F1 ladies watches. When we get them in, they sell instantly. So this is a F1 with the black ceramic. It's priced at 23,900 Rand. With like diamonds on the bezel, which makes it quite a flashy watch, but the black does subdue it kind of. And let's go to the Bremont. So this watch we recently got in. This is the Bremont U2, not to be mistaken by the band, actually the airplane, which was designed in 1995 actually. It has beautiful blue steeled hands, which makes it pop a bit on the black. So this Bremont is priced at 46,900 Rand, making it a good deal in my opinion, as the retail on this watch is just over 100,000 Rand. Now let's stay in with pilot's watches and go straight to the IWC Top Gun pilot's watch. I just love the tactile look of this watch, the canvas strap, the PVD coated case. This is in a way a super masculine watch. This watch is priced at 96,900 Rand. And I think it's totally worth it. Okay, let's jump to the other side now. Let's go to this Tag Heuer F1 Aston Martin edition. As you can see, there's like a little Aston Martin logo in it, which is quite cool if you're a racing fan. And this watch is priced at 29,900 Rand. And let's go to some two crazy Cartiers. Let's go to this black Santos, covered in PVD. And this is priced at 129,900. This watch just looks sleek, and the thinness of this watch makes it quite cool. It's like if you put it on your wrist, you really don't even feel it's there. That's what I love about this watch. It's cool and classy all together, which I like. And then let's move on to a perfect ladies watch in my opinion. It's the Claire de Cartier in rose gold. It has blue Roman numerals on it. And yeah, it just exudes character, you know. It has an open case back, which is rare on ladies' watches. This watch is priced at 149,900 Rand. Now let's move on to unboxing some watches. First off is this beautiful Mont Blanc 1858. This watch has beautiful Arabic numerals and comes in a bronze case, meaning it grows and changes the more you wear it. This watch comes in at 39,900 Rand, making it quite a good price for automatic chronograph. Now let's move on to some Tag Heuer McLaren special editions. First off is this white dial one. Has this beautiful orange chronograph hand, really makes it pop with the almost panda dial, and I just think this is a beautiful, beautiful Tag Heuer. This beautiful Carrera's price is 79,900 Rand. If you just look at this box, you know this is going to be a special watch. This is the Tag Heuer Carrera MP412C. The MP412C is quite an interesting car, as it was the first car produced after the McLaren F1, which is legendary. So also this watch, when it was initially released, it was only available at official McLaren retailers. So that we have this watch is quite cool. This watch is priced at 69,900 Rand, and this has an open work dial with little hints of the McLaren papaya orange covered all over the watch. Next in store is this beautiful Zin 104 pilot's watch. To me personally, it looks like a dive watch, but they market it as a pilot's watch, which is quite intriguing. It having a unidirectional bezel, and also the general design screams dive watch. This is a German brand, and I think they're fantastic. If you hold this watch in your hand, you can really feel the build quality and craftsmanship that goes into these. This watch is priced at 29,900 Rand, making it a steal compared to other dive watches or pilot's watches it's competing with from Longines and Tuda. Next up is this beautiful Cartier Balon Bleu. And it's quite a big dial size, and I don't know what they do with their sapphire crystal or whatever, but it just creates this three-dimensional look and feel when you have this watch in your hand. This watch is quite quirky as it has a fixed crown guard and like it has a two-tone rose gold in the front, nothing in the back, which is quite intriguing. I think this is a stunning piece and this comes in at 142,900 Rand. Now let's move on to a watch that's probably my favorite from all of these watches we have here today. The 2023 Tuda Black Bay GMT with the new opaline dial. The Pepsi bezel and the white just mixes so well for me, and this is such a solid watch. And coming in at 69,900 Rand, in this price bracket you won't find a better tool watch. Next up is a really cool Panerai. It's the Radio Mirror Eileen, and it has this beautiful textured brown dial that I haven't seen in a Panerai ever, and it comes on this really cool and classy leather strap. And this watch is priced at 129,900 Rand. Now that the pocket change watches are out of our way, let's move on to some heavy hitters. Starting off with the Lange one. This watch is made entirely out of platinum and it's just craftsmanship done to the greatest extent. This is one of my favorite new additions to our collection here at Luxury Time. It's made fully out of platinum and the case back is out of this world. The attention to detail, craftsmanship, everything just makes this watch super special. It's not a flashy watch, but I feel like if you wear this out, like there's only going to be like one person that will notice, but that's going to be a true connoisseur. And that's just what makes this watch special in my opinion. This is really a watch, if you know, you know. This watch comes in at just under 700,000 Rand with box and papers. Now let's move on to everyone's favorite brand, Rolex. First off, it's this beautiful 2020 root beer. It comes with ever rose gold and the warm tones on this watch makes it a perfect pair for anything you want to wear. I've seen some photos of the root beer on NATO straps and I think that works really well. It's still a super luxury watch, but it on a NATO strap harkens back to its roots as a tool watch. This watch comes in at 379,900 Rand. If two-tone isn't your thing, then this yellow gold Yachtmaster might be just for you. What I love about this watch, it has the red text on it, and Rolex aficionados will know it makes it a bit more special. Also comes with a white dial. I think this is the perfect watch for a yachty that likes to spend his time in the open seas or being docked at the docks of Monaco. This lovely piece comes in at 359,900 Rand. If the Yachtmaster or GMT doesn't float your boat, we have three amazing Daytonas that I think you'd like. First off, we have two 116523 reference number watches here in two different variants. First off is this black dial two-tone one. And damn is this nice. The black dial mixed in with the yellow gold and the little red Daytona text just makes this watch pop. It's a fantastic watch and what can be said about this that hasn't been said already? This stunner comes in at 329,900 Rand. Still on the same model number, we have this beautiful blue dial Daytona with Arabic numerals. The blue in this watch just makes it pop more than the black, I would say. And it also comes with a bit more of a premium as it comes in at 399,900 Rand. In my opinion, I think it's worth it. This is a stunning piece. And one day, I'm gonna buy this watch for myself. I'm almost certain you haven't seen a watch like this. This is the Rolex Daytona 116508. It comes in solid yellow gold and has a meteorite dial. Guys, this is literal space rock. Has the iconic panda dial, and what makes this watch even more cooler and impressive for me is it's discontinued. They don't make these anymore. Just holding it in my hands now, you can feel the weight and this is really next level. It feels wrong to even hold this in my hand. And yeah, it comes with a hefty price tag of 2,050,000 Rand. Wow. We're ending this video strong. A brand that's part of the Holy Trinity, Audemars Piguet. This is the Royal Oak Offshore on a brown leather strap. And I joke that this is the Afrikaans version because it screams, I want to be in the veld. It's a heavy hitting watch, and I can also see Arnold Schwarzenegger wearing something like this. It's of course a bit more chunky than a normal Royal Oak, as this is the offshore version, but a fantastic watch, and it being one of the best brands in the world, you can really see the craftsmanship and attention to detail you won't necessarily see on watches that's less than 10 times its price. This really cool felt watch is going for 499,900 Rand. Thank you for watching this video and supporting our channel. If there's anything you would want to see, please drop a comment and tell us. Remember, time is a luxury. Invest in it.